I'm Denny Stobart. I'm the manager here at Sasquatch Crossing Eco Lodge Bed and Breakfast. I've been here for 12 years.
Al Stobart, Denny's husband. This is the boss. I do what I'm told. We get along fine. So I wouldn't add much more than that.
What inspires me about this area is the natural beauty and the abundance of wildlife, and especially the hummingbirds.
And for me, what inspires me is just this continuing rural experience that's available to everybody here. So to put a welcome out to everybody to come and see us, I'd let you know that this is, this is Chehalis territory. This is a Chehalis property. This is community owned. Come and experience it. It's a wonderful feeling to take part in something in an area where people have lived and worked and played for more than 10,000 years, and we're seeing more and more of that culture being redeveloped and then re-experienced, and that's available to everybody.